This is a tutorial video on how to use Google Documents. Google Documents is a great way to use for collaborative writing. Now, some things that you need to know about Google: you'll need to create your own Google account and have your students also create the account, which is free. I suggest that you have your students use the same generic logins and passwords for all their Web 2.0 tools. There are many great features about Google that you'll be able to use later on, so it's not a waste of time to create the account. Now, as we go through here, you're going to see where to find your documents. Go up here to More, click on it, then you come down to Documents. You click on it, and you'll have a new page come up. And there you can see that I have many documents I've already worked with and everything. But in order to create a new, you go over here to the left, click on Create New, Create Document. And then it will look very much like a Word document. And you have all the features that Word has. And you can even download it to a Word document later on, or even upload one. Now you just begin typing by clicking in and start creating your text. And then you come over here to label your document over in the yellow, and you just start typing in your title. I'm just going to label this one Practice. Then you go over here to share your document, which is very important. Click the down arrow and you go down to Email Collaborators. And that way you can use your Google account, and the students just type in the name of the people they want to collaborate with, and to go from there. Then you can make sure they click on the Can Edit, and people can make changes. Always make sure your students share the document with you, so you can add in the comments that you want to have in. It'll be very important. And then make sure that you can change this to public setting if you want the whole world to be able to see it and everything, but right now you don't want that, and so we're going to close this out. That's how you create the document in the very beginning. Now, in order to collaborate, as you can see, it can become very colorful. I suggest for students to type in at the same time that they have their different colors assigned to them. As you can see, there was 6 people working on this document, and each person had their own color assigned to them, which made it very easy to work with. And the way you do your colors, you come up here to the letter A, hit the down arrow, and then you can pan down to all the rainbow. It makes it very easy to assign different colors, and the kids can pick their own. As you come down to this introductory paragraph, you can see all the different colors that were contributing. We all worked on this introductory paragraph together. It really makes it neat to start typing in, and the kids can be in here at the same time, which really, it can be chaotic, but also if the kids are paying attention to what each other are doing, they can proofread simultaneously as they're typing, and it's a great tool to have. And another thing that can happen is they can even change the words. You can see there's 2 different colors there for creating. That's where one person saw the wrong verb tense. Now as you go on down, you can see whole solid paragraphs. This is where each student was assigned a different part of the assignment, and it makes it easy to grade on you as a teacher. It makes it easy for the students to see who's done their part and who hasn't. So it's really an easy tool to use as they're in their work there, and they don't have to be in the same room. They can be doing this from home. This particular essay was written from people across the country. Now another feature you have is a call out. You just highlight that and make comments. You go over here, insert, and you come down and you hit comment, and over to the right you'll see where a person can type. You can do great compliments. You can respond to different comments, and also as a teacher you can give your evaluation, your formative assessments going on at the same time. This can be asynchronous or synchronous at the same time. It's up to how people want to use it. In order to find out which comment, which one, you click on the highlighted spot and it should call it straight out. And the same thing's reversed. If you click on the comment, and then it will go straight to the text that the comment was being made on. So this is a asynchronous way of collaboration where the colors could be both synchronous and asynchronous collaboration. And then there's a third way that you can collaborate on a essay, and that is a discussion. That's when more than one kid's logged in at the same time. In the upper right hand corner you'll see a blue box where people are viewing it. Well, once they see it, they can see who is viewing, and then they go to the far right, click on that down arrow, click on it, and you can see a discussion panel and the different colors again as discussions taking place. And this is for synchronous contact. It can become a little public chatty tool also at the same time, but if you look down at the very bottom, it gives a place where they can type in their discussion, and then they would hit enter at the end, and everything will work, and things will start popping up at the top, and they can see a conversation going on. So Google Documents is a great tool for writing and collaboration with the writing and for peer editing, and it makes for a great work.